Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Depop gift card and how you can redeem it. So first of all, you need to come here on depop.com and then you just have to simply log into your account first. Now over here, when you click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, you won't be able to find any of the redeem gift card option. Similarly, when you select any of the items over here on the items page as well, you won't be able to find any of the options that could allow you to redeem a gift card. So currently Depop doesn't offer you an official Depop gift card that you can basically add to your account or redeem at the checkout. You also won't find a gift card option at the checkout. So if I just click on the option of checkout, there is no such option available. So if you have received a gift card for another brand, you can't use that gift card as a Depop payment method either. You will need to use an accepted payment method available at the Depop checkout, which in most of the cases debit or credit card, Klarna and PayPal. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.